This IMW 17 meeting is really fascinating. It would be extremely complicated to summarize it in a few words. The results presented, the studies, the data are very exciting. The key word is hope. If you really push me and ask me about what are the hot topics, I would say there are two major topics that really impressed me. The debates about the value of measurable residual disease, MRD. It's clear today that MRD is well established. It has a prognostic impact. From a technical point of view, it is now on the right track. And what I heard, and this is really something very important for all of us, including for the patient, of course, is about the use of MRD by regulatory bodies to accelerate drug development and approval. And this is, in my opinion, a crucial step because these days, and this is definitely great news, patients are living very long. So it is unlikely that we will be able to design and run trials where your endpoint will take 10 or 15 years. This is why you need some surrogate markers. Of course, we need to be sure about the choice of these markers. We need to be comfortable with their predictive value, but I think the work that has been generated and done on MRD is really going to make it. The other hot topic I can glean, I would say, from this meeting is all the discussion and debate about immunotherapies in general. Not only monoclonal antibodies, but we're talking a lot about the cellular therapies, the CAR T cells. Obviously, I don't think we do have new data about the CAR T cells in myeloma. Definitely we know they are a certain form of a line of therapy. And in heavily pretreated patients, they can allow you for 12 or more months of progression-free survival. But what was really interesting is that now we started talking on the tools to optimize the currently available CAR T cells. We heard a lot about dual CAR T cells targeting two antigens, the armored CAR T cells, the use of cytokines trying to modulate the microenvironment. So it's clearly the new generation of immunotherapy that is being prepared today, and this is really exciting.